And the race is on. Panamera rushing up is the Surgeon. Enjoy the rain alongside Lady Atasha. Running down on the inside is Field Runner, Dugu Sprite, Walk the Talk, and Tara Let's. The Surgeon by some 2 lengths followed by Enjoy the Rain. Lady Atasha from the outside, Field Runner in between runners down on the inside. Panamera. Dugu Sprite is racing by the Walk the Talk and Tara Let's. Rounding the 3/4 mile distance, the Surgeon. Followed by Enjoy the Rain, Panamera. Lady Atasha from the outside, Field Runner in the middle. Working towards the back. The Surgeon. Followed by entry number 7, Enjoy the Rain. 7A, Lady Atasha from the outside, Field Runner running in fourth. And moving up from the outside is Walk the Talk. Panamera, Dugu Sprite, and Tara Let's still running at the back of the pack. It's the Sergeant, Lady Atasha, Walk the Talk. Racing from the outside. It's now Lady Atasha, followed now by Walk the Talk, the Sergeant, as they race the final corner. Lady Atasha by a length and a half, Walk the Talk, the Sergeant, Dugu Sprite from the outside, and nearing the last 150 meters more to run, the favorite 7A, Lady Atasha, this time by some 3 lengths. Walk the Talk, Dugu Sprite on the further outside, and Tara Let's. And finally, 7A, Lady Atasha, Dugu Sprite, Walk the Talk, Tara Let's, the Surgeon for your Fentafecta. Then comes number 2, Panamera, Field Runner, and 7, Enjoy the Rain.